Welcome to Varshini Vlog. Today we are going to have a glance of how to prepare grinded rasam. Freshly prepared masala we will add freshly with the rasam by not using rasam powder which is made earlier. For that you need to take a small lemon size tamarind and you need to take the tamarind pulp. You need to keep it ready. For that, I have soaked the tamarind one hour before, and I have taken pulp from that. And I have taken one big tomato in that. Half tomato I have taken, and we need to do like this with our hand, smash it like this with our hand, so that you will get the exact taste of rasam which is prepared in marriages. And I am going to add in 10 pieces of small pieces of garlic, so that you will get a better taste while pouring rasam with your rice. And I have taken 5 green chilies which is half slit, and I am adding in directly in the tamarind pulp. And I am going to add in 2 pinches of turmeric powder. If you have iodized salt, you can add the required amount of salt right now in the tamarind pulp. Since I have crystal salt, I am going to add in with the grinding materials. I am going to add in with that so that it will get smashed properly. In marriages, they will do with hand only. So to get the pakka village type taste of rasam, and the remaining half tomato we need to grind. For that I have made it into fine chops, and 1 tablespoon of jeera and 10 pieces of pepper. And for grinding I have taken 6 pieces of garlic with 1 tablespoon of crystal salt. And upon that I have soaked 2 tablespoons of tur dal for half an hour. In that grinding stuff in the mixer jar, we need to, it should be cleaned, washed, and I have soaked it before half an hour. Since it is a small amount, it's enough to soak it for half an hour. And we need to add this with the grinded paste. While grinding, we need to add this one also by draining out the water. And in the tamarind pulp stuff, I am adding 6 pinches of asafoetida. And all these grinding materials, as I have told, I am going to add in a mixer jar, and I will grind it as a coarse paste and come. All these pre-preparations should be done before switching on the gas stove. So that we will get the same pakka taste as village style rasam. Now I have grinded it and come as a coarse paste. Now we can switch on the stove and we can bring to boil the rasam. You need to keep it in a low flame, and you need to bring to boil till bubble comes. Only it will take around 3 minutes to 5 minutes in a low flame. That's all. Till how much time you should bring to boil, you will get a clear picture after seeing the video. And if you want, you can add 1/4 tablespoon of jeera in the tamarind pulp with some small amount of pepper. If you want, it's optional. And again, you need to give a very nice stir. And it is getting heated up. See, in a low flame. See, it has started getting heated up. And it will rise and it will come and it will bulge like as when we do puris, no? Like that it will bulge and come. After starting boiling, once boiling starts, you need to add in the grinded stuff and you need to give a very nice stir again with a spatula. Let it boil for a while. It will take the rasam to get boiled for around 5 minutes in a low flame. See, in the video I have shown, see how it rises and comes. This is the stage where you need to switch off the flame. You will be thinking that I haven't added ghee till now. While seasoning, I will add. Now the boiling procedure is over. Now we need to season it. For that, I have taken a kadai. In that, I have taken 5 tablespoons of ghee. Let it get heated up. In that, I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Now we should add the seasoned stuff to the rasam mixture. Now for rasam, we need to add tur dal, Mysore dal or moong dal. As you wish, we can add. I have already boiled in a pressure cooker 2 tablespoons of tur dal. I have boiled and kept. But we need to add it as a watery paste. For that, I am going to add in some amount of water. And I am going to smash in and I will make it as a watery paste as shown in the video. And I will add with the rasam mixture. Now, rasam preparation procedure is over. Now we have got delicious, tasty, flavorful rasam in a village style. Just try this recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varshini Vlog and press the bell button and press the all option. Thanks for watching. Bye.